morning children, how are you? Okay, are you finished your previous homework? Additions, I gave additions now. So have you finished additions? So once check your answers Nana. Open page number 18 in your textbook and check the answers. I will explain these sums. Okay, so 7 plus 5 is 12. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Have you got this answer? Okay. Next, 8 plus 3 is 11. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1 is 15. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 is carry over and 5. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. Next, 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9. What is the answer? 995. And next here, 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. Got the answer? So if you did any mistake, correct it. Okay? Next, 7 plus 4, 11. 1 is carry over and 1. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next, 9 plus 2 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And the next one, 6 plus 2. Here 3 numbers are there. 3 addends are there. We are adding 3 numbers. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 is carry over and 3. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Don't forget to add carryovers. Okay, if you left the carryovers, your answer is wrong. And next one, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4 is 12. 6 plus 7, 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. Plus 1 is 23. 23. Next, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. And the last one is 7 plus 0. 7 plus 0, 7. Plus 3, 10. So 1 is and 0. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 7, very good, 21. Already carryover is added. So you can add it either for wish. So how much you got? 21. Next, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Everybody got these answers? Very good. So, you can pause the video and you can check these answers. Okay children? Today we are going to learn subtractions. Already we learned in previous class additions now. So, today we are going to learn subtractions. So, always we should subtract smaller number from the greater number. Understood? Remember, always we should subtract the smaller number from the greater number. For example, 276 and 394. Here two numbers are there. Which number we should then we have to arrange like this. 394 minus 276. But in your textbook they are arranged. Understood? Directly they are given in column. Sometimes if they given question like this, find the difference between 276 and 394 means subtract the smallest number from the greatest number. Remember that. Now open textbooks page number 19. Practice on 11. Practice on 11. Subtract the following numbers. Subtract the following numbers. So first question is 48 minus 27. Two digit numbers are given. 48 minus 27. So 48 minus additions we are started from ones place now. Similarly subtractions also we should start from the which place value? Ones place. So 8 minus 7. So open 8 fingers, cut 7 from 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much is left? Only 1 is left. So what? 8 minus 7 is 1. Next 4 minus 2. 4. So cut 2 from 4. How many are left? Only 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Next problem 53 minus 26. 53 minus 26. See here, ones place digits are 3 and 6. 3 minus 6. Can you subtract 6 from 3? 3 నుంచి 6 ని subtract చేయొచ్చా? Can you subtract 6 from 3? No, we can't subtract. So what we have to do? If 3 minus 6 is not possible, then what we have to do? Can we subtract 6 minus 3? No. So what we should do? We should take borrow from 5. Understood? We should take borrow from tens place. 3 in ones place now. So we should take borrow from tens place. So what is in tens place? 5. So if you take 1 from 5, how much is left? 4. So from 5 we are taking 1, so 4 is left. And here 3 becomes 13 because 110 is equal to 10 ones, no? 110 is nothing but 10 ones. And 10 ones, and already here 3 ones are there. So 10 plus 3 is nothing but 13. Now 13 minus 6. We are not having 13 fingers now. Do you have 13 fingers? No. So I will tell one easy method. Instead of taking 13 fingers or anything, so down number is 6 now. 6. So from 6 onwards, count up to 13. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then how many fingers you are open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 13 minus 6 is nothing but 7. Understood? Next 4 minus 2. Do you have 4 fingers? So 4, from 4 take out 2. Then how greater number from smaller number. That means 8 is not possible. 5 minus 8 is not possible. So what we should do? Can we do 8 minus 5? No, that is wrong. Don't 5 minus 8 is not possible. We should not do 8 minus 5. Okay, Nana? So what we should do? We should take borrow from tens place. So 8 becomes 7 and 5 becomes 15. Why here 8 becomes 7? Because we are taken 1 from 8. Understood? We are taken 1 from 8. So if you take 1 from 8, how much is left? 7. That's all, 7. And how it is 15? 10 is nothing but 10 ones. So 10 plus 5. So total how much? 15. Now 15 minus 8. Again we are not having 15 fingers. So count forward from down number. 8. 8 after 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how much? 7. Very good. Next 7 minus 4 is 3. 37. Next question. 94 minus 56. Same. 94 minus 56. 94 minus 56 is how much? 4 minus 6 is how much? Not possible. Why? 4 minus 6 is not possible. Yes, not possible. Why? Because 6 is greater than 4. So, what we should do? Yes, borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is. So, count after 6 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How much? Very good. It is 8. Next 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 5. How much? 8 minus 5 is? Right, 3. 38. And the next question, 97 minus 79. 97 minus 79. 7 minus 9. Not possible. So borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is. 17 minus 9 is how much? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how much? Very good. 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. That's all. So up to here subtraction of 2-digit numbers. And the next question, 3-digit numbers are given. 287 minus 145. 287 minus 145. 7 minus 5. Same like 2-digit numbers only. 3-digit number subtractions also like 2-digit numbers only. 7 minus 5. We should start from ones place. After that tens. After that hundreds. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 4 is? Yes, it is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the answer? 142. And the next question is 856 minus 288. 288. Now 856 minus 288. So start subtraction from ones place. 6 minus 8. How much? 6 minus 8? Not possible. So borrow from 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8. After 8 is becomes 7 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 14 minus 8. After 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how much? 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Very good. So completed 8 sums. And next problem. And the next question is 957 minus 478. So 7 minus 8 is 7 minus 8. How much 7 minus 8? Not possible. So borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4. You are taking 1 from 5 now, so 4 is left. And 7, 17. 17 minus 8 is. After 8, we are not having 17 fingers now. So after 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So total how much? 9. So 9. 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is not possible. Again it is not possible because 7 is greater than 4. So take again borrow from 9. If you take 1 from 9, 8 is left and 4 becomes 14. We are taking 10 from here now, so 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 7. So count and say 14 minus 7 is how much? Yes, it is 7. 8 minus 4? 4. So what is the answer? 479. Next one, 636 minus 146. 636 minus 147. 6 minus 7. Not possible. So borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 16 minus 7. Count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. How much? Right. 9. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So take borrow from 6. It is 5 and 12. 12 minus 4 is? Right. Very good. 8. 5 minus 1 is 4. Understood? And the next question is 947 minus 484. 484. 7 minus 4. 3. 4 minus 8. Not possible. So borrow from 9. 14. 14 minus 8 is. three questions are there. I will copy that three questions on the board. You have to try that sums. Okay, Nana? 783 minus 195. 857 minus 239. Then the last one, 975 minus 389. At least one sum finished. Okay, listen. 3 minus 5. Not possible. So borrow from. You have to tell the answer. I will write it on the board. So 8 becomes, very good, 7 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5. Yes. 7 minus 9. Not possible. So borrow from 7. 17 minus 9. Very good. It is 8. 6 minus 1 is 5. So what is the answer? 588. And next one, 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9 is how much? Not possible. So borrow from 5. 17 minus 9 is, count fast and say the answer. After 9 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How much? 8. And next, 4 minus 3 is? 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 2 is? Very good, 6. So what is the answer? 618. Next, 5 minus 9. 5 minus 9? Not possible. So borrow from 7. 15 minus 9. Can you say 15 minus 9 is how much? Very good. It is 6. 6 minus 8. Not possible. So again borrow from 9. So 16 minus 8 is? What is 16 minus 8? Yes, it is 8. 8 minus 3 is? 8 minus 3. How much? 5. So 586. So these are the subtractions in practice zone 11. Okay, Nana? Now take out your workbooks. Open your workbook. Page number 8. Page number 8. Already in page number 7, additions completed now. So subtractions in page number 8. Subtract the following. Here subtractions are given. 7 sums are there. You have to do that 7 sums. Okay. So today's homework is page number 8. Tenth bit in workbook. Do in workbook. Okay. So page number 8, 10th bit in workbook. This is a homework in workbook. Subtractions. Total 6 subtractions. 7 subtractions are there. You have to do that 7. Along with these, you have to learn two to 5 tables. Okay. So you have to learn 2 to 5 tables. After subtractions, next topic is multiplications. To do the multiplications, we have to learn tables perfectly. So you have to learn second table, third table, fourth table and fifth table. tables. 4 tables are given. Second, third, fourth, fifth tables. Okay. So do these subtractions and